out shoveling. I realize how futile this looks, but we're supposed to get up to 70 centimeters of snow, something like that. So I have this weird logic that if I come out every few hours, then it won't be so bad, and tomorrow it won't be up to here.
Yeah, and do you think you'll stick with it throughout the day as it gets worse?
Jury's out, but that's my plan. But this may be the first and last time out at it today. It's there's something neat about being out in it, but yeah, so we'll see how it goes today.